Hey there, everybody. Robert Taylor with Wonderscape Creations. In the last episode, we went over regeneration, and in this one, we're going over degeneration. And I will give the same warning I did in the last one. Degeneration and regeneration cannot be used on the same attribute as of right now. If you can find a game or a situation in which they both do need to be used on the exact same attribute, please let me know, and we can discuss possible fixes. So, I do not currently have any degeneration examples. This video has made it quite clear, or making this series. So, after this, I will make a degeneration example. But for now, there are none. But it's very similar to regeneration. If we choose, you have the flat, percent, and percent. We'll click on the flat percent here, and there is a little bit. Um, there are a few differences here. Obviously, you have the blocking tag and the immunity tags. Go ahead and check on those to understand them. It looks like I need to reorganize some of this because it's a bit disorganized. Um, so the resume delay that we have here, you can set the delay, a degeneration curve table. The purpose of this is, and you can thank my wife for this, um, after you've eaten and your hunger meter starts going down, showing that you're getting more and more hungry. Obviously, you being hungry is slower. But as you get closer to being starving to death, the degeneration ticks down faster. If you want that, then you create a curve table and you put it in there, and the system will read it and evaluate accordingly. So that is the big difference here. Additionally, we have delay while full before degeneration. So if you hit full, how long should the delay last? 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 5 minutes. That is completely up to you. This is in seconds, so you need to make sure you do the calculations correct if you want it to be delayed for a few minutes. And the immunity tag, so say you pick up some bread and you eat the bread, and it provides you this immunity tag for 5 seconds, meaning for 5 seconds, if you're not full, you won't degenerate your hunger bar for 5 seconds after. Or you can make it 30 seconds a minute, whatever you want it to be. This allows the flexibility. I'm going to reorganize this because this is very hard to read because things aren't where they're supposed to be. It shows that I made it but didn't clean it up. So I apologize for that. That'll be cleaned up before it's released. Thank you guys so much for watching. In the next episode, we will touch on replication and attribute events.